So now we will do next question related to the square roots of imperfect square. Find the 7 figures of square root of 10330130. So first of all, we will make the pairs, we will make the groups. So in this category, we have how many groups? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 groups means there will be 4 digits before the decimal point, right? So let's start. First is, अब nearest number क्या है इसके? 9. 9 कैसे मिल रहा है? 3 3s are 9. So step 1. Step 1 है आपने 10 को divide किया 3 के साथ. So quotient is 3 is the quotient and remainder is 1. So here you will write the quotient and here you will write the remainder 1. Right? So the next in the category is 13. And now this is the double of 3 is here. This becomes a divisor. This is a place of quotients and this is a place of remainders. Then here is 13. So 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12 and you have the remainder as 1. Right? Now what is the next step? Now the next is 13. Next step is यहाँ पे आप just wait, 13 is divided by 2, 6. So you have got 2 as a quotient and remainder as 1. Now the third step is you will find a duplex of 2. This is 4. Then 13 will be subtracted from 4, right? And you will get 9 here. So it means the remainder is 9. Fine or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next step in this category is you will divide 9 divided by 6. So 6 ones are 6 and the remainder is 3, right? Now the next number in the category is 30. So what to do with 30? So you will find the duplex of 21. That comes out to be 2 2s are 4. Then 30 will be subtracted from 4 will be subtracted from 30 and you will get 26. Right? Now the number in the category is 26. Now you will divide 26 is divided by 6. So 6 3s are 24. 6 3s are 24 and remainder is 2.
6 4 yaar ma'am.
6 4s are, sorry, 6 4s are 24 and the remainder is 2. So here is 4 and here is 2. तो बेटा 2 digits आपके 4 digits जो है before decimal they have been completed. इसके बाद क्या आएगा? Dot आएगा, right?
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So next in the categories. Next in the category is
21.
21. Yes. Now what you will do? Now this is the
Duplex
step
of
number
4.
5. Now you will find the इस cases में बेटा you will find the duplex of 214.
114.
So that is 1 square plus 2 cross 4 cross 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 is 16 and this is 17. Then 21, 17 will be subtracted from 21. That will be 4. Okay? अब क्या करेंगे? अब हमें डिवाइड करना है इसको 6 के साथ. ये देखो जब 4 अंदर है आपका 6 बाहर है तो 0 के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे. So 0 is the quotient and
4 remainder.
4 is the remainder. Now the next category is 43. Now what will be the sixth step? Now you will find the duplex of 2140. 2140, 2 2s are 4 0s are 0 and 2 4s are 8 आएगा. पता है ना 4 digit का duplex?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then 43 will be subtracted from 8. Anji, what's the answer?
35.
35.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Then next step is 35 divided by 6. यहाँ पे आपका 35 बचा था, यहाँ पे कितना था, जहाँ 21 था वहां पे 4 था, राइट? सो 35 कहाँ पे जाएगा बेटा, बोलो?
5 पे.
30.
6 5s are 30.
30.
6 5s are 30, and here is the quotient 5, right? Now the next number in the category is 50. Step number 7. Duplex of 2 1 4 0 5. 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20. 20 और इधर इसका 0 हो जाएगा, इसका 0 हो जाएगा, और प्लस 16, that is 6 and 36. Then कौन माइनस करना है? 50 में से 36 को माइनस करेंगे, आपके पास कितना आ गया? 14. Then 14 is divided by 6 is 16, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what is 6 2s are 12, and quotient is 2, and the remainder is 2. So
2.
here is 2, and यहाँ पे आएगा ना आपका 2 आगे,
Yes,
आपका
ma'am.
यहाँ पे आगे आगे
Yes,
चलेगा,
ma'am.
2 आएगा, 0.0 लगा लो ना इसके बाद। आप इसमें क्या करिए, आप इसमें 0.0 लगाइए, यहाँ पे आपका लग जाएगा 0.0, ये आपका 2 रिमाइंडर आ गया, then that will be in next category. But we have to find the first 7 figures, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It is completed. So what is the square root of this approximate value? What is approximate value? 3214.052. This is the answer. You will write like that. So अगर आगे कंटिन्यू होता तो बेटा इसमें आगे एक और जो है वो क्वोशिएंट ऐड हो जाता. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Some questions?